today I'm going to be making just a simple juice that can improve your energy, also work on your immunity, and it can improve your skin. Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. So some of the ingredients that I'm going to put in this drink today: 1 cup of raspberry, 3 peach, 5 strawberry, and 3 cups of water. But as always, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about each of the ingredients and some of the benefits that they have to offer. The raspberry. The raspberry are low in calories but high in fibers, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They may protect against diabetes, obesity, arthritis, and other conditions. And the raspberry, they may even provide anti-aging effects. The peach. The peach, good for digestion. They can boost your immune system. The peach, good for skin as well. They may lower the risk of cancer, help with weight loss, and it can also help with your blood pressure control. The strawberry. The strawberry protects your heart. It increases HDL, which is good cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and they are also packed with vitamins, fiber, and a high level of antioxidants. That is just a brief description of all of the ingredients that I'll be using today. I'll put a more detailed one down below in the description so you can have a look. So if you like what you're getting so far from FadaGugs, give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs has posted a new video. Now, let's just get on and make that amazing drink. So what you want to do, make sure say all your ingredients have been washed. That's the first thing. Make sure your ingredients them wash. Just get the blender ready. Move the water to the side a bit. Get our knife. So what you want to do, just cut off the leaf off of the strawberry. Just like that. Just get them out of the way. Some nice big strawberry. Just like that. Then what we want to do, just cut them in two. Let's drop them inside the blender. Yeah. Just like that. Strawberries are nice. Okay, nice. With the raspberry, put them inside the blender. With the peach now, you have to cut the peach because the peach got a seed. A big seed inside it. You just got to cut out the seed. Just like that. And just get an extra slice. Just to make it a bit easier on the blender. Let's see with this one. Just like that. Last one. Let's give it one more cut. It's very simple and easy recipe, but as I said, it's very effective. So there we have it. What we want to do now, we just add our 3 cups of water. Nice. Let's get these out the way. Move the chopping board over to the side. Just bring this a bit closer. There we have it. Bring the blender forward. So there we have it, people. All ready to start the process of blending. So here we have it, people. Finish blend. Get our container because we're going to strain it. We're going to use our straining bag again today. Put it over. That's it. Here we have it, so lift it off. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, it smells lovely. And all I need to do is just pour out the goodness. That color is nice as well. Nice pinkish color. There you go. Now just lift it up. Just watch that goodness roll out. Just give it a bit of squeeze. That's nice. Yes, people, so we finished straining it. Then we just get a spoon. Just give it a nice mix. Look at that nice color, man. Just have a taste. Just to see what it tastes like. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, you can taste the strong scent of the peach. So all you need to do, put it to the side. Just get a nice glass, we just throw it in so you can have a look. Got my jar here. What I need to do now, just throw that nice goodness inside it. That's lovely. That is lovely. Just put some other ingredients beside it. And last but not least, nice straw. So there you have it, people. That's the final product. That is peach, raspberry, and strawberry for amazing benefits. If you like the video so far, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs has posted a new video. And remember, always share with your friends, with your family. For now, FadaGugs is out.